Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to open multiple Roblox games at once. So first you just have to click the link that I will be including in the description down below. So this is what it looks like. You have to download this multiple games. Click this download multiple games for Windows PC. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is simply run this as administrator. You have to go to your download folder and then look for multiple games and then run as administrator. Now you have to open or launch this one before you open your Roblox accounts. Okay. So once you open this or it appears here, you can now open your Roblox and then multiple accounts in Roblox. So you can go to any web browser and then go to Roblox and open a game. Tap the screen button here and start playing. You can also go to your Roblox application, the application you have downloaded from your Microsoft Store, or open again another web browser and then log into your different account, then open or click any game, then start playing Roblox. Okay, so you can see that even if I'm using one screen, I can play multiple games at the same time. So that's it. All you have to do is to run this application, multiple games, and you can open your different accounts here on Roblox. So that's how easy it is to open multiple Roblox games at once. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.